Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to channel for the latest and most honest product reviews. Today, we've got something that could change the way you think about cleaning your home: the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum. If you're tired of manually vacuuming, or just want something that can handle cleaning while you do other things, this might be the robot for you. Let's take a closer look at its features and performance. The Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum packs a lot of technology into its compact gray design. It's equipped with a tri-brush system, which combines side brushes, a channel brush, and a multi-surface brush roll, allowing it to handle both carpets and hard floors with ease. What this means for you is that it's built to sweep up all kinds of debris, dust, pet hair, crumbs, you name it, whether it's on your soft, plush carpet or hard, shiny floors. And the best part? This system works effectively across various surface types, so you don't have to worry about switching out brushes or manually adjusting settings every time you move from one room to another. As far as intelligent features go, Shark hasn't left anything to chance. This robot is equipped with cliff sensors, meaning it can detect ledges, stairs, or any sudden drops to avoid a potential fall. It also does a great job avoiding walls and furniture, so you won't have to worry about dents or scratches in your walls. If you've got furniture that's a bit hard to get around, this vacuum adapts and adjusts to clean efficiently without causing damage. One of the most convenient features is the ability to control it from your phone. Through the Shark Clean app, you can start, stop, or schedule cleaning sessions anytime, even if you're not at home. No more waiting for a convenient time or trying to remember if you've turned the vacuum on. This robot is ready when you are, and the app is straightforward, making the whole process easy to manage. Plus, for those who love voice control, you can link it to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to start cleaning with just a voice command. Just imagine telling your vacuum to clean while you're on the couch, or when you're heading out the door. Talk about convenience. Another standout feature of this robot is its 120-minute runtime. That's a full 2 hours of uninterrupted cleaning, which is more than enough to tackle most homes. Whether you have a small apartment or a medium-sized house, this vacuum should be able to cover all your floors without needing a recharge. In addition, Shark has rigorously tested this robot to ensure it's reliable, so you're getting a vacuum that's built to last through thousands of hours of real-life cleaning use. When it comes to real-world use, the Shark ION robot really impressed me in terms of ease of setup. It was ready to go almost immediately out of the box, and connecting it to the app was simple. I put it to the test on different surfaces, including a thick carpet, hardwood floors, and even some rugs. On carpets, the tri-brush system did a great job pulling up embedded dirt and pet hair without missing a beat. On hard floors, it effortlessly swept up dust and debris. The robot had no trouble moving between these surfaces, and I didn't need to make any adjustments myself. It transitioned easily between rooms, navigating furniture legs and tighter spaces with ease. The cliff sensors really came in handy around stairs and ledges, preventing the vacuum from tumbling down. I also tested the vacuum's performance with pet hair. For anyone with furry friends, you know how important it is to have a vacuum that can handle all that hair. This robot picked up pet hair without tangling on the brush roll, even in areas where my dog likes to sleep. For me, that's a huge win, as many vacuums struggle with long hair, robot vacuums especially. As far as noise goes, this vacuum is relatively quiet compared to other models I've used. It doesn't create a disruptive noise level, which is great if you have young kids or pets that might get spooked by loud sounds. It's not completely silent, but it's far from intrusive, making it suitable for cleaning while you're working or relaxing at home. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a few things to consider. While the runtime is impressive, it's important to note that the vacuum will slow down if it's working in high power mode or trying to clean a particularly messy area. It doesn't have the same deep cleaning power as larger corded models, but that's to be expected from a robot vacuum in this category. The bin is on the smaller side, so if you're vacuuming a large area or a home with heavy foot traffic, you might find yourself emptying it more often than you'd like. On the plus side, it's extremely easy to maintain. Emptying the dustbin is a simple task, and cleaning the brushes is straightforward as well. The filter, too, can be replaced or cleaned with minimal effort, which is important for maintaining good suction power and filtration performance, especially if you have allergies. When you're looking at the price, this robot falls in a sweet spot between high-end robot vacuums and more affordable options. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but it offers solid value for the price with the features it offers, especially the 120-minute runtime, ease of use, and the tri-brush system. For those with pets or allergies, this vacuum performs well on carpets, and the filtration system should help capture fine dust and allergens. That said, there are some similarly priced competitors that offer longer runtimes or a stronger focus on deep carpet cleaning, so depending on your priorities, you may find a better match elsewhere. Now, let's compare it briefly with a few alternatives. If you're considering other robot vacuums in the same price range, something like the iRobot Roomba 692 offers similar performance on hard floors and carpets, but lacks the 120-minute runtime. It also doesn't have the same level of voice control integration as the Shark AV753 ION. On the other hand, the Eufy RoboVac 11S provides a quieter cleaning experience and a slim design, making it better suited for tight spaces, but it doesn't offer the same powerful tri-brush system or app connectivity. Build quality here feels solid, with premium plastics that don't feel cheap. The brushes and overall design hold up well to regular use, and Shark has been known for producing durable products. In terms of longevity, you can expect the robot to last a couple of years with proper maintenance though. As with all robot vacuums, battery life can degrade over time, especially if it's constantly running at full power. Customer service from Shark is generally known to be reliable, though I didn't personally need to reach out for support during testing. Their warranty and response times are typically good, which is always a bonus when investing in tech like this. In conclusion, the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum is a solid option for people who want a hands-off cleaning solution with strong performance on both carpets and hard floors. It's best suited for those looking for a smart, easy-to-use vacuum with good runtime and excellent pet hair capabilities. If you're not looking for the absolute most powerful cleaning on high-pile carpets and you value convenience and smart features, this robot could be a great addition to your cleaning routine. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on all our latest reviews. You can find the link to purchase the Shark AV753 ION Robot Vacuum in the comments box below. If you have any questions or experiences of your own to share, feel free to drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep your space spotless and your life easy.